Vivian's got a smile that lights up the room. Family stories.
Guys, I have goat meat. I already cooked my meat. Goat meat and kidney here. And here I have the intestine, the shaki, and our body, the stripe and ring. I don't know the other name for this one. We call it ring in Nigeria. I don't know. This one is stripe, shaki, and ring. And this is goat meat and kidney. I have my tomatoes, fully blended and roughly blended tomatoes here. So let's get started.
Skies of blue. Vivian's page, a joy to see. Life's a vlog of harmony. Travel adventures near and far. Every place a shining star. From a cozy nook to a bustling street. Each moment pure and sweet. Food that brings us close together. Every bite a taste forever. Snapshots of life's joy and cheer. Vivian's world, a place so dear. A touch of style and a heart so kind. In every post what treasures we find. From books we read to games we play, guiding us to a brighter day.
It's time for me to blend my peppers, my Scotch bonnet pepper.
Room, family stories captured in every bloom.
See who they cook food though. Guys, look at me, I'm sweating like Christmas goat. Look at me. See on my body. Those of now when they cook with makeup for kitchen, I don't know what they do on my bed. Benny Omoedo, Esther and lifestyle tutorial, Olivia. I don't know what they do. People, you just put on heavy makeup and be cooking in the kitchen, and the makeup not the stay. I don't know what they do. Look at me. Look at me, I'm sweating. Everywhere they hot. Ooh. 40 degrees. Look at my body. Oh my god. Cooking not be anybody made though. Guys, the aroma in my kitchen right now is giving Buka stew vibe. So let's add Scotch bonnet peppers. I don't know if it's going to be very hot. Let's test. Yellow. The pepper is okay. I will not add more to it. Curry powder, ginger powder. I added thyme earlier. I will be adding this jumbo chicken stock powder. And salt. It's time to add the meat. I know they teach anybody how to cook. Oh. I'm just showing you guys how I cook my food. I believe you guys saw one big hand that was collecting my meat earlier. That's why they collect my meat though. Come on, keep that in me. Michelle wants to pray. I lowered the gas because the thing is just splitting everywhere. So that's why I reduced the gas. So I'll cover it and allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes.
Every bite it tastes forever. Snapshots of the life's joy and cheer. Vivian's world, a place so dear. A touch of style and a heart so kind. In every post what treasures we find. From books we read to games we play. Guiding us to
Let me add a little meat stuff. Guys, I almost forgot this. I almost forgot. I'm adding dried fish. My stew is not complete without this egg. I'm boiling my egg there. I'll be adding egg to it.
Life's a thrill like a breezy hat. Cooking up a storm with a dash of spice. Every meal's a feast with your
Guys, my stew is ready. And guys, this is what we have. I'm just being careful. I don't want the fish to break. Still intact. Although probably I've already started eating this stew. I've already started eating. Yes. Good job.
Mommy, look.
Good job.
sweet.